show that the right circular cylinder of the given surface and maximum volume is such that the height is equal to diameter of the base. First of all, we understand the question here. What is given in the question? What things to find here? Means question is saying that the right circular cylinder. So you know the right circular cylinder. What is right circular cylinder? So this one is the right circular cylinder. Is clear? This figure is formed the right circular cylinder. Is clear? Next, the right circular cylinder. Question number 20. This was the question number 20. The surface area and maximum volume. Surface area and maximum volume is such that अगर हम दोनों में देखें surface area and maximum volume such that the height of the height इससे height ले हम pi square h surface area और equal to diameter यानी ये आपको प्रूव करना है. सरफेस एरिया और वॉल्यूम का जो रिलेशन निकालेंगे तो h इक्वल टू 2r यू विल पुट दैट हियर h इक्वल टू 2r. हाउ टू फाइंड इट विद हेल्प ऑफ द सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम. You will using only two identity here, surface area of the right circular cone and volume of the right circular cone. Clear? What's saying about the right circular cone here? To given surface maximum volume is volume कितना होना चाहिए? Maximum volume is यानी जो भी पॉइंट हम इसमें लेंगे B के लिए जो भी पॉइंट लेंगे तो जो भी पॉइंट R पॉइंट आएंगे तो मैक्सिमम पॉइंट होना चाहिए. Which point are you using here? You maximum point. Because you are right the maximum volume. Volume क्या होना चाहिए? Maximum. Volume is maximum. Then you use the maximum point. Suppose R is the maximum point. Then you find the maximum volume. Suppose R is the minimum point. Then you find the minimum volume. But this will be not required minimum volume. Means you will your answer will be suppose R is maximum point. Then you can find your maximum volume. Is this clear? So first of all, what is the identity of the volume of this right circular cone? Tell me please. What is the volume of the right circular cone? क्या वॉल्यूम होता है? वॉल्यूम इक्वल कितना होता है? Tell me please. Right circular 2 pi r h. This one is the. This one is the. What is the r? H. What is the h here? H means height of the right circular cone. H is called the height of right circular cone. And what is the r here? R is called the radius of the right circular cone. ये radius of the r. Clear? ये height this is called the x. Outside is the both things same. And center to ground this is called the radius of the right circular cone. The base. That's all. This is not matter. The next thing here, so what is the surface here? The pi r h. It is clear. The next thing, what is the surface area of this right? What is the surface area of this? As for surface area. Surface area of the right circular cylinder. 2 pi r. Here pi r square h. Here pi h square h. Next क्या आएगा? Pi r h plus 2 pi r square. It is clear? Pi r, this is the circle, base is the circle, top is the circle. Pi r square, area of the circle, pi square, area of the base, pi r square. Pi r square, 2 pi r square. So this 2 pi r square is there. Next, 2 pi r square, curved surface area of the cylinder. What is the curved surface area of the cylinder? Curved surface area equal to the 2 pi r h. और total surface area equal to the 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. यानी base and top also including here. Base and top also including here. Clear or not? So this is s equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Is clear? Next thing, what is the value of the 2 pi r h? 2 pi r h equal to s minus 2 pi r square. Any problem here? Transposing the both sides. What 2 pi r same place, but 2 pi square transposing the left side means s minus 2 pi square. Then what will be of the h here? S minus 2 pi r square upon 2 2 pi r. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Is clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is your equation second. Suppose you are putting the value of s, then the correct answer getting the s equal to 2r. You will find the value of s. You will eliminate all the s from here. You will get the correct equal to s equal to 2r. R you have required, s is not required here. Then you will be eliminate of the s here. What is the s here?
Surface area.
Surface area. Clear? Is clear? And next thing. First of all, you will be put the value of x in equation first. From equation first and second. From equation first and second. Value of the b equal to 2 pi r. What value of the h here? S minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r. Is clear or not? Multiply inside here. What will you? Pi 2 से 2 cancel, pi से pi cancel here. 2 pi r. What is r square? Yeah. Okay, r square. R square. So then you cancel r square and r. No problem. Is clear? Inside multiply here. What multiply here? S r minus multiply inside. But here 2 is available or not? First is that is just इसमें 2 या छोटे pi स्क्वायर है तो pi r स्क्वायर ऐसे ऐसे रिप्लेस बाय दिस वन तो pi से pi कैंसिल r से r by मल्टीप्लाई है r s upon 2 pi s upon 2 next we multiply here then 2 से 2 cancel and then pi r2 clear and cancel by 2. Next this is value of the b. Is clear? So means you will find the maximum volume. Means you are finding the maximum volume and then differentiate of the volume here. Is clear? What you find is maximum volume, not maximum surface area. Only maximum volume. Then you will differentiate of this function. Is clear? Is clear or not? So maximum volume means for the differentiate is dv over dx. Sorry, dr, not x here, r. A maximum volume when is the maximum volume. Suppose r will be increasing, then volume will be increasing. You not understand this thing, sir? Suppose this circle, r is smaller, value of the r here 2. Suppose this circle, r will be here 3. So when r will be increasing, the volume also is increasing. The same thing is applying here. When r will be increasing, then volume also is increasing. So how much difference of volume when difference is dv upon dr means how much changing in r then changing in the volume. What is the meaning of dv upon dr? In differentiation, how much changing in the radius then changing in the volume. Clear? So then differentiate it. S is the constant here. What is your r? Difference in r is 1. What is difference in r? 1. What is that here? S upon 2. What is the value of s upon 2 minus pi is constant. What is difference in r2? Minus 3 pi r square. Is clear? What is the second order of derivative? D square d upon dr square. And again s is constant. This portion is the 0 minus 3 to the 6 pi r. So then looking at minus 6 pi r. Is clear? This one is the second derivative test. The fourth maximum minimum. We will put here before maximum or minimum. Fourth maximum and minimum. And then we will get here dv over dr equal to 0. For derivative test, you are putting 0. What is it to get here? Then s upon 2 minus 3 Is it clear now? Like that. So what value of the S here? Sorry, R. Okay, R is your critical point. Your R is the critical point because R will be increasing, the volume will be increasing. R will be decreasing, the volume will be decreasing. Surface area is not critical point. Clear? Surface area is not critical point. Critical point here R. Clear? The next thing here, what will be of the R? In 3 pi R square equal to S upon 2. Is clear? Then what will be of the R equal to S upon 6 pi. What will be of the R here? Value of the R here square root S upon 6 pi. It is clear or not? It is clear or not? What R your critical point? Why is critical point? Because where R will be increasing, the volume will be increasing. R will be decreasing, the volume will be decreasing. Surface area is not dependent on the volume. Surface area is not dependent on the volume. Directly not dependent. R is dependent directly. So your critical point is S upon 6 pi. How to check this point is the maximum point? Because you are finding your maximum volume. You are finding your maximum volume. Is it clear? The maximum volume is find out. You will put this in your second derivative test. A second derivative is already here negative. So then you get your maximum point. Now from b square b upon br square minus 6 pi. What is the value of the r here? S upon 6 pi. S upon 6 pi. And this is a less than equal to 0. This is a negative sign. What value? This is not matter. What value here? This is not matter. Matter here that this is negative or positive. This will be always coming the negative. Clear? Less than. So you can say that R is maximum point. So R is maximum point, and you have required it. कि R is the maximum point. Suppose R is the maximum point, you will put the value here, then you get the maximum volume. Suppose R is the minimum point, you will put the value here, you will get the answer here, minimum value. So you have required according to given condition to this right circular cylinder at maximum volume. When it is the maximum volume get, when length will be of the right circular cone double of the radius, then it will be getting the maximum volume. Clear? Surface area is the same, but the surface area is the same, but volume will be double. Clear or not? When you are only the length of the height of the circular cylinder will be double of the radius, then volume will be highest volume of this. Is it clear? Yes, not only then next step I will take. Next things here. See, of course, we will put the value of the R, so then S will be in present in the. So you will be eliminate of the S because S is not required here. It is this thing is clear that this R is maximum point. So suppose R is you are using here S equal to in this from here. Okay, this value come from this step. This value R equal to root S upon 6 pi come from this step. So what value of the S here? What value of the S? 6 pi R square minus 2 pi R square upon 2 pi R. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? So these are including of this also. These are including of also this step. What value of the S? 6 pi R square. Applying what value of the S? 6 pi R square. Clear? Now using it with the 4th to 5th. 5th. Using from 5th. From 5th. Is it clear? Now we will write that 4 pi R square upon 2 pi R 2 to the 4, 5 cancel, R again. What is that here? 2R. It means as equal to 2R. This is your requirement and so it means volume of the right circular cone will be maximum. Volume of the right circular cone will be maximum when will be h equal to 2R. Means height will be double of the radius. Height will be double of the radius. Then volume will be maximum of the right circular cylinder. There is not this thing. There not. Yes, no, no. Question number 22 here. A wire of length 28 meter is to be cut into two pieces. One of the pieces is to bend into the square and other is circle. Clear? What should be the length of the two pieces so that combined area of square and circle is minimum? Understand these things. Suppose you have a wire, ये wire आपके पास है, इसकी लेंथ कितनी है 28 मीटर. क्लियर? इसके आपने टू पीस काट दिए, एक पीछे काट दिए, एक पीछे काट दिए. हाउ मच लेंथ ऑफ दिस एट ऑफ माई, हमें मालूम नहीं इसकी लेंथ कितनी है. ये तो इसकी तो क्लियर है 28 मीटर. पर व्हाट इज लेंथ? सपोज इसकी x है, इसकी 28 माइनस x हो गई. क्लियर? सपोज इससे हमने सर्कल बना दिया, इससे हमने क्या बना दिया? स्क्वायर बना दिया. इट इज क्लियर? रफ मतलब जो आपका रफ थिंकिंग अंदर क्वेश्चन की स्टार्टिंग कैसे करनी है. ये आपका क्या है? टोटल लेंथ ऑफ वायर. इसी वायर में हमने कट करके तो इसकी हाउ मच लेंथ इज वी डोंट नो, हमें बता देंगे. सपोज इस एक्स लेंथ का हमने क्या बना दिया? सर्कल बना लिया. इस 20 बाकी कितना बचा? 28 माइनस एक्स. इसका हमने क्या बना दिया? स्क्वायर बना दिया. अब इन दोनों का सर्किल, इस वायर से मैंने ये सर्कल से सर्कल बना दिया, इस वायर से मैंने ऐसा स्क्वायर बना लिया. इसका एरिया सपोज A1 है, इसका एरिया सपोज A2 है. क्लियर? अब इन दोनों को एरिया को कंबाइन करें तो क्या करें? मिनिमम मैक्सिमम. मिनिमम एरिया मतलब हम किस हिसाब से इनके वायर के इसको कट करें कि इनका एरिया मिनिमम आ जाए. क्लियर? इसके कट करने के टू टेक्निक्स हैं. लिसन हियर कि सपोज हम एक तो हमारे पास स्क्वायर है, ठीक. अब स्क्वायर का एरिया जो है, सपोज स्क्वायर का अगर हमें स्क्वायर का एरिया अगर हमें इंक्रीज करना है, हमें वायर की लेंथ ज़्यादा काटनी होगी. क्लियर? स्क्वायर का प्रैक्टिकली मैं बता रहा हूँ, प्रैक्टिकली बता रहा. स्क्वायर में स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगल में तो हमारे पास एक हमारे पास क्या स्क्वायर है, एक हमारे पास रेक्टेंगल है, एक हमारे पास सर्कल है. क्लियर? क्लियर? अब सेम पैरामीटर के हैं तो सबसे ज़्यादा एरिया किसका होगा? स्क्वायर का. उसके बाद किसका होगा? सॉरी सर्कल का. सबसे उसके बाद किसका होगा? स्क्वायर का. सबसे कम किसका होगा? जबकि इनकी लेंथ सबकी क्या है? सेम. क्लियर? माना इसका सर्कमफेरेंस भी 4 है, इसका सर्कमफेरेंस भी 4 है, इसका पेरीमीटर भी 4 है, इसका पेरीमीटर भी 4 है. मीन्स वायर की लेंथ अगर सेम होगा ना, हम सेम एग्री करेंगे, सबसे मैक्सिमम एरिया किसका आएगा? तो उसके बाद किसका होगा? और उसके बाद सबसे कम किसका एरिया होगा? रेक्टेंगल का होगा. जबकि इनका पेरीमीटर सबका है सेम. पेरीमीटर मीन्स लेंथ ऑफ द वायर. ये लेंथ ऑफ द वायर यही पेरीमीटर में करेंगे. ये प्रैक्टिकली मैं बता रहा हूँ, प्रैक्टिकली ये होता है. तो अगर लेंथ ऑफ द वायर अगर सेम है तब तो ये कंडीशन होती है. सपोज ये लेंथ कम ज़्यादा है, कोई मैक्सिमम भी नहीं, तो हाउ मच make the condition here in length of the cutting the wire, the area will be the minimum. एरिया will be हमें करना क्या पड़ेगा? इसका हम थोड़ा सा भी बढ़ा देंगे, एरिया गुम हो जाएगा, एरिया जल्दी से बढ़ जाता है. इसके इंक्रीज करने में और ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा, इसके लिए और कम करना पड़ेगा. क्लियर? तो मीन्स इसमें अगर इन दोनों का हम इक्वेट करें तो इन दोनों में कम किसका करना पड़ेगा? हमें सर्कमफेरेंस इसका. इसके लेंथ में कम करेंगे तो एरिया थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा। माना इसके हमने 6 कर दिया, इसकी हमने कितनी कर दी 4 कर दी, हमारा टोटल 10 था, क्लियर, तब जाके इक्वल आएगा। अगर हम इसको 6 कर देंगे इसका एरिया मैक्सिमम हो जाएगा, इसका और कम हो जाएगा। तो हमें ये कंडीशन अप्लाई करनी है कि दोनों का टोटल एरिया मिनिमम आ जाए, मिनिमम, उससे कम मिनिमम एरिया चाहिए आपको रिजल्ट। इट इज क्लियर, इट इज क्लियर। ये तो आपका रफ फिगर था जो मैं आपको बताना चाह रहा था। अब इसमें आ जाए ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन। ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन में क्या कह रहा है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, let the length of piece of wire then into a circle dx unit। कौन भाई में क्लियर, जो वायर हमने सर्कल में बनाना है उसकी यूनिट क्या लेंगे हमने x लेंगे, यानी सर्कल का पेरीमीटर कितना हो गया x, क्लियर। एंड length of wire is suffered when into square कितना हो जाएगा 28 माइनस x यूनिट। क्लियर, क्लियर।
Yes, sir.
अब नेक्स्ट थिंग, suppose you will be find here the area of the square, area of the circle here, both things, but you have not here radius, you have not here side of the square. Without side you not find of the area of the square, without radius you not find of the area of the circle. Two things are required. Done. How to find out these things, कैसे find हो सकते हैं? The simple, this is a simple mensuration here. How you find it? कैसे find होगा? Tell me. This, what is the x here? What is the x here? Perimeter of circle या circumference of circle, both things same. Circumference circle या perimeter of circle, both things same. तो circumference circle क्या है? x. Perimeter of square कितना है?
28 minus x.
It is clear? Because length of the wire तो ये है, तो ये perimeter बनेगा आपका। लेंथ ऑफ द वायर सर्कल की है, पेरीमीटर आप क्या बोलेंगे? तो नाउ सर्कमफेरेंस सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ सर्कल कितना होता है 2 पाई r। अब कितना इसका सर्कमफेरेंस कितना दे रखा है x इक्वल टू 2 पाई r, और व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ द रेडियस है x अपॉन 2 पाई। This one is the required area of the, now this area में A1 into the area of circle कितना हो जाएगा? Area of the circle pi r square। What is the x square upon 4 pi r square? It is clear? Result will be x square upon 4 pi square unit। Done? You have got it?
Yes, sir.
Next, same things here, side of this square. How to find? This one is perimeter of square. The perimeter upon 4. Then you will get your answer. Side of the square. 4 into side equal to perimeter. Perimeter for side. So then you can find here the area of the square. This is called the A2, area of the square. Simple mensuration. What is area of the square? Side square. So 28 minus x square and upon square of 4 is 16. It is clear? It is clear? The next things here, both area will be sum of the both area, given condition here. So now it is given, suppose sum of the both area का effective function लिया हमने। Now the sum of the both area equal to fx. The function ले लिया fx या ax, this is not matter. Ax, fx, px, this is not matter. Clear? So now fx equal to a1 plus a2. What is the value of the a1? X square. Sorry, x square upon 4 pi. 4 pi plus what is the value of that? 28 minus x whole square upon 16. This is the value of the fx. Sum of the both the areas. Or you will find the minimum area of both the sum. दोनों का सब ये नहीं करना कि इसका सम मिनिमम होना चाहिए, इसका मिनिमम होना चाहिए, जैसे ना दोनों का सम मिनिमम करना है. क्लियर? इसको मिनिमम करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? डिफरेंशिएट. हाउ मच डिफरेंशिएट ऑफ दिस व्हेन यू गेट द मिनिमम. नाउ f dash x equal to 4 pi is the constant. We will 2x upon 4 pi plus 16 is constant. 16 is constant or not? X exponent 28 minus x and 2 will write as 2 and then minus 1. When you differentiate the x and minus come with the minus 1. Is clear? X exponent and minus 1 are 16 is constant. Is clear? What will you get here? X upon 2 pi plus minus up to 28 minus x upon 8. Any doubt here? After calculating plus minus minus and 28 upon 2 is just 16. Then suppose we have required here double differentiation, second order, and f double dash x. What will be here? F double dash x. Again differentiate 1 upon 2 pi minus 28 is constant minus x upon 8 is differentiate. What will be your minus 1 upon 8 or minus plus 1 upon 8? Is clear? और here not is here not here x. यहाँ पे कोई x नहीं है. जो भी वैल्यू आएगी वो greater than 0 आएगी. Greater than 0 means x will be your minimum point. Is clear? First note down it, then next. Now here, okay, this is the second order derivative and this is the first order derivative. The 4 maximum minima, this will put here 0. Is clear? Now 4 maxima or minima. Then और ये f dash x equal to 0. Then we imply here what will be after dash here x upon 2 pi then we will minus 28 minus x upon 8 equal to 0. Is this x upon 2 pi equal to 28 minus x upon 8. 2 4 8. Cross multiply here 4x equal to 28 pi minus pi x. Is clear? Cross multiply here this x translating this side. So 4 minus 4 plus pi equal to x and 28 pi. Is clear? What will be of the x? 28 pi upon 4 plus pi. So this is the critical points of function. In this you will check this point in the maximum point, then area will become the maximum. Suppose this point will be the minimum, area will become minimum. So how to check this point maximum minimum? According to second derivative test. Now f double dash x, what will be of 28 pi upon 4 plus pi equal 1 upon 2 pi plus 1 upon 8. This will be greater than 0 because you have not any x here. So you can say x is what will be of so You can say कि x is a minimum point. And which value you get of in this point, which value you get in this point, this will be the minimum value. It is clear? But you have not required. Suppose you can put the question, what is the minimum value? So you will put this value of the, where is put you? Here. Suppose you are putting the value of in this, then you will get the minimum area. But this is not required here. What you will find here, how much length of the each piece of wire. Question is turning this side, this direction. Question is not asking what is the minimum volume. One question generated to find the minimum volume. If you will put this in this function, then you will get your minimum volume. But question here changing. You will not find here the minimum value. You will find the length of the wire. What is what x? What is the x here? What do you mean x? What do you mean x? Length of the
Wire.
wire. This is your first answer. So length of the piece of wire which went into circle कितना है 28 pi upon 4 plus pi. It is clear? Units. Just centimeter, meter, this is not matter. Clear? What things given you will mention here. Suppose book 28 meter you can write a meter, 28 meter write a centimeter, book on book you write a centimeter. And length of the wire, piece of wire which bent into square of what length of 28 minus 28 pi upon 4 plus pi. It is clear? It is clear?
Yes, sir.
So then you can calculate it, then you get here 28 into 4 plus 28 pi minus 28 pi upon 4 plus pi. This will be considered, what will you have? 8 4 32, 112 upon 4 plus pi units. And this length will be required of the fourth square. Person demanding of these things, two things. Not demanding the minimum area. Minimum area is a condition given. The minimum area condition, this is the verified here. X is the minimum point. When you find the minimum area, this value put in the function. This one already printed. Clear? So this one not demanding the question, demanding here how much length of each piece of the wire. This is the question answer. Done? That's not all.